The president is in the mood for spreading the Christmas cheer. He handed out gifts, essential supplies, and basic necessities to the residents of Marilac Hills and the Haven National Center for Women in Muntinlupa City. PTV's Isaiah Mirafuentes tells us more.
This young girl, who we'll call Princess, is 16 years old. At such a young age, she has already experienced using illegal drugs. She was arrested last year.
May problema po ako dahil sa family ko, kaya po ako na-involved sa drugs.
Her parents separated and her mother remarried. However, it was her stepfather or her mother's new husband who brought the dark side of life to her. She was sexually harassed and often speaks about it with pain and bitterness words.
Sinusumbatan po ako ng kinakasama po ni Mama. Tapos po sabi niya po sa akin na hindi daw po kami mabubuhay kung wala siya at di rin po makakapag-aral. Kaya po naisipan ko pong magrebelde nun.
She is one of the children that President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. met in his visit to the facility today. President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. visited Marilac Hills and the Haven National Center for Women in Muntinlupa. These are shelters for young girls who have experienced abuse, and some of them have committed offenses at a young age.
Senador pa ako at civilian pa ako, pupunta ako rito. At dahil pagpunta ko rito, lagi ako napapangiti.
He gave Christmas gifts to help ease the sadness the children feel.
Pagdating ko rito ngayong araw, talagang naramdaman ko na ang Pasko. At nakikita ko sa mukha ninyo Alam niyo.
As soon as the president arrived, the children danced and sang for him. Marilac Hills was established during the time of the president's father, former President Ferdinand Marcos Sr., and was among his mother's plan, former First Lady Imelda Marcos.
Natutuwa kami kasi siyempre, pag ang presidente ay may pagtingin sa mga sa mga mahihirap, lalo yung mga naaapi na mga kabataan natin, mga abandoned children. Ibig sabihin, mabuti siyang tao, di po ba?
Since 2017, the president has been visiting the place. Every year, except during pandemic, he has been giving gifts to the children. In his message, the president reminded everyone that Christmas continues despite the challenges behind and in front of us.
Ano naman, kahit na tinamaan tayo ng kung ano ng bagyo, kahit na nasunugan ng mga iba't ibang lugar, kahit papano, tiyakin natin, tayong lahat, kami lahat, na lahat ng Pilipino, lalo na itong mga maliliit, itong mga bata, dapat ang mga bata kahit papaano makaramdam ng Pasko.
No storm can shake the Filipino Christmas spirit, and nothing beats a Filipino Christmas. From PTV Manila, Isaiah Mirafuentes, Balitang Pambansa.